Bismillah. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to repair hard disk bad sector in MS-DOS mode or outside the Windows. This is 100% effective tutorial. But before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And please don't skip the ads also. Step 1, download the software. Just click the link in the description below. Click download. Click OK. Click open containing folder, the download source, click OK. So step 2, let's install the software. Just click the exe file, click next, and then next. So just wait a minute while the program is installing. Then click finish. Now we have to restore the software. Just follow what I did. Open the HDD generator. Step 3, let's create bootable USB flash. Prepare empty USB flash, this at least 4 GB. Now let's insert USB flash disk. Then click HDD regenerator. Click bootable USB flash. Select your USB flash drive and then click OK. Soon your drive will be formatted and click OK. So finally, it showed the bootable generating flash has been successfully created. Now to begin bad sector check or repair, just click yes. To do it next time, just click no. Now step 4, let's begin scan and repair HDD drive using HDD regenerator, bootable USB flash drive. Let's insert bootable USB flash drive. Then turn on your PC while pressing boot menu. In this case, Lenovo laptop is FN plus 12. And for the other PC, say BIOS utility hotkeys and boot menu key by brand. Select USB HDD, then press enter. It's shown here. HDD generator serves to repair bad sectors on damaged hard drives without any loss of the existing data. So in my case, I'm going to select this one and enter one. Then press enter on your keyboard. Then press number 2, normal scan with or without repair. Then press enter. Now select one, scan and repair, then press enter. Now select one, start sector 0, then press enter. Now hard disk drive is scanning, so be patient. The scanning time is defend the capacity of your drive. So this scan has been forwarded to shorten the video. So this is not the result, Alhamdulillah. Complete scan done one. D represent as delays detected 0. B sector remain bad 0. R sectors recovered 0. In new bad sectors appear 0. R bad sectors reappear 0. Okay, so to accept this, just press escape. Okay, so thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you very much.